Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will review how to upload a file into the appropriate folder in an iCollaborate room. Let's say we want to upload a file into the iCollaborate room. Whichever folder we want the file to be saved in, I need to highlight first. For example, if I wanted to upload the file into the My Files drive, I need to make sure it is highlighted. For this example, let's say I want to upload a file into the room files to be visible to both myself and the students in the room. I highlight the room files folder and then click the plus button to select a file. We click here to select file. I'll go ahead and click this one, which is the social post that we used for the A+ Facebook page. I just go here and select Start Upload. Now you can see that the file is visible right here inside the Room Files folder. The process is the same for the My Files tab, except these files will only be visible by you in any iCollaborate room. To stay organized, you can add folders to these files. Let's say I wanted to add a folder to My Files to keep my things organized. I simply highlight My Files and click this button to add a folder. For this example, I'll just say My File and then click Add. You can see that this folder now appears under the My Files tab. Taking a look at the group files, you can see there are many documents here that are at your disposal. To use any of these documents or any of the files that you have uploaded into the room files or My Files, all you need to do is drop and drag the file onto the whiteboard. Let's take a look at group files and this ACT Math coursebook. For example, if I wanted to work on section 1 with a student, I would just drop and drag that right into the whiteboard, and there it is. This is now visible to you and all the other participants in this iCollaborate room to work on together. Thank you for joining us. We hope to see you in our next video.